trucks. Anybody who no get in the specified things we're supposed to get for motor.
You're not supposed to road.
Not supposed to for road. Problem with all these two people, they go tell you say, if you want to arrest one truck driver now because one thing, the union go strike. Before no go move again. Yeah. They're very powerful. And they threaten government.
It's for your own life. To protect your own life.
The driver and down forward, people they drive down forward no get side mirror. They not value their life.
Not be lie. I don't forget.
And the passenger where they sit down is I don't get choice because maybe because of poverty. But you go sit down on top for down forward, say the backrest now iron, nothing they block you. If accident happen and your motor and you can't move, anytime your body hits now iron for the motor. That's why people they die easily like that because the vehicles, the bus is still not there in safe condition and we know they're ready to move them. That is why V.I.O go stop you wey drive saloon car wey nice. They ask you for all your paper, all the stupid question. Meanwhile, downfall we no get side mirror.
We never get light.
We no get window. We no get backlight. No get brake light. He go drive, but they go hail am how far now? You understand? But now you will drive better car. Did they find your paper? What do your paper
because
get for?
You get money.
Because the focus don't be on the safety. Now on the raising money for the government.
Wait, now they raise money for government. They raise money for their personal.
V.I.O now.
Okay, V.I.O. Okay.
Yes now.
I remember this experience some years back. I think 2012, that time I said they do night. I they come work. I dey inside bus. So you get this golf car where they try turn for U-turn. Whether the bus no see am, I no know. But as they try turn, I saw the bus run into am, and I did front. No seat belt, no nothing. But now God just do am. I just my shoulder I knock on top the steering. I saw the whole windscreen shatter.
Shut on top.
On top my head. So all of us come out. Now if somebody very close to me come, they say, I bet me then clear the bus. Maybe they go. Now I say this accident will happen. You see, won't enter this bus.
Wait, you want clear bus when you get accident they go.
Maybe won't enter this bus.
You know now the last money they ain't pay that transport.
Okay.
If you not carry the bus, I ain't go call the truck go when they go.
Not be
You never dey for bus. You never dey for bus before. We say rain dey fall. They close door, but the window they open. No, you go cost everybody, the driver, the conductor, the government, your family members.
The can they leak.
What I gonna drop for you? But did I gonna apologize? Man, I no first. I better take this rag, hold and block up. You go use rag, put the hole. And you go block and the rag go come wet the sock for your hand. You understand? The man go the bag go say, but now hold on, when you touch me.
So
what about the windows, Uncle? Windows, when rain they fall,
I just will say we the intentionally suffer ourselves, and somehow we like suffer.
We always like to adjust to accommodate the suffering.
We not the one make things.
I don't hold window for downfall before in those days for most show they reach my 2. Because in the fall.
No need for you to enter jail.
What you actually take to get all those window fees? What you actually take?
See, what do I always ask myself? This downfall, say they especially make up for Nigeria.
Because downfall for Nigeria different.
Because the way the downfalls be, then they manufacture those kind of buses again. First of all, say all the way they don't have van over abroad, they sell and come here.
Come sell and
now. Dumping ground now.
Now people business. Now dumping ground with it. Don't you go all these yard for Obodo Yibo? All those condemned buses when they already match together. They'll say, don't worry, I'll buy it. They'll buy $50
exactly.
to $200. Send a con Nigeria, con repackage and come put 1 or 2 things.
Turn out to downfall. If you swear they construct downfall,
you go in now.
They go now carpenter they do the chair.
Yes now.
They go when I go wear the iron, carpenter go do the kpako. If they like if the driver gets more conscience, they will put more foam. On top of the chair, and then of course you know say anyone will get radio, that one a luxury now.
No, na
luxury. Some the fuel tank no even good. Na gallon waiting for between the driver and the passenger for front. And the gallon, and when they take connect fuel on go.
That is.
Yes now.
Anyway,
you get what that is in the engine. We go the back of the front seat.
Now Volkswagen in the back, they always the engine they always there for back.
The back of the front seat, then the passengers.
Yes, you go. No, the engine go there in between two. When some of those buses,
and the thing go hot like this.
God forbid bad thing. Anyway, you know, I know this next issue concern the country Nigeria. You know, I don't know how many times we don't discuss this particular issue on top this segment across the bridge, and somehow you don't find a way enter everybody mad again right now. I beg, wait till Gumi talk better.
Well, Gumi, he don't come and come talk. Say make them stop to they kill bandits. Why? He said these bandits they are victims. So make I just enter the details of
just sharp Russia.
Wait till he talk. He talk say stop killing bandits. He say because killing bandits will only worsen the security situation for the country. He talked this one for one interview with the Punch newspaper on efforts to take rescue the kidnapped children of Tegina Islamic School for inside Naija. He said this kidnap of Islamic peoples actually proves to the nation that the bandits are not really indoctrinated. They are just looking for money. And I think that this is a good prognosis. They are not targeting a religion. They are not ideologies, which are difficult to deal with. He said, but with good engagement, education, and enticement, like job and other things, they will leave this work. But we need
they'll leave work to do job when government give them. Because this one are work.
They can't sit up, say they need a partner, and they go need the government to understand. Say individuals like him alone no fit do this talk way they do. No be only him. He can insist say the government could not protect schools without first finding means to end banditry for the country. He can advise the government say make they engage the bandits instead of killing them because they were also victims.
So many man know where president is stay. Why no carry his connection go visit president tell him? And this man talk this kind of nonsense. He still the worker free. That one go tell you say what did they make the proverb say when cats know their house. Rats go call in family member and cousins. Because na rat and cat be this one. This one a rat basically. The Gumi na me talk so. Yes.
Be one
because of all this one now they indirectly threaten the country. Say they threaten because say if they keep bandits, security no go. They want to, you understand?
Yeah.
And then of course the presidency no go talk anything. They no talk anything. What you would expect? Because na the same silence they don't get from beginning. They no talk anything. Who be Gumi to the talk say bandits? So we will accept evil because one person feel say.
Let's agree now. Bandits now victims. So now they carry arms.
They not be victim. Who's victim?
PSN, IPOB, and the rest people.
No, they not be victim.
No, they be victim too.
No,
they need to stop.
No, now who's victim? Those ones not be victim. Now those ones are people where get language they understand.
Okay, these other people.
Those are people they go deal with language they understand. But these other ones they be victim. Victim of what? Every Nigerian a victim and now I want to talk. Poverty there everywhere now. That means any man will wake up tomorrow no be paying school fees supposed carry gun now. They kidnap people and then they tell government say okay I be victim. They make in those days when would they military rule? When Anini and others they terrorize the whole south, come they move and come southwest. Shebi na Babangida they say call the IG police they say okay what see they hear so much about these criminals Anini and in group. They give a deadline by this time if you no catch this guy. I watched the video of the Manini when they handcuffed them for chair for bed for hospital. Interview them, how they catch them and all that. The way they describe how they rob and all those things. But because Babangida say, look, he give them marching order. I give you so time. If you not catch these guys, you lose your job. They put them. Why they not say the Manini that time? They be victims.
Because maybe they not be bandits.
Evil not get tribe.
Or they not get spokesperson.
Oh, because they not get one sheik where they speak for them, or one reverend father, or somebody they talk for them. You not get spokesman. Why would they justify? The only Nigeria I don't talk before. Would they do naming ceremony for evil? Only we get bandits, herdsmen, Kulani herdsmen, killer herdsmen, gunmen, unknown gunmen, avengers, kidnappers, agitators.
Agitators, okay.
You get the way they say this boys is the one leave. What do they call them? Secessionists. Only we for this country. Dictionary don't even lose those space.
Get the restructurers where they want to
exactly. You understand? In the midst of all this thing, one man will come out and say bandits now. Okay, so if them be victim, what happened to all the people who terrorists on the key for the north east since? All those Bornu people
those
and all those people. The parents of the Chibok girls, parents of all those people they don't kidnap, where they don't lose some of them to children. What in then go be? Okay, so what's in there? What's in there? Sharibu parents supposed to carry gun? Our pikin never see come back after almost 5 years. What do they do? I don't understand.
Who they support this guy? Like who they? Because I just feel say some man. You need to get some people.
The only reason why my son go they talk to people for the neighborhood anyhow. They destroy people properties. They threaten them anyhow because you know saying get papa we be say if he try and papa go fight for him. He get confidence in the person where they him back. Somebody did this man back we make him dey untouchable. Because on a good day, there's a way don't pick this man up. You understand? Say, okay, these bandits, the president will come and say, I don't give them order to do shoot at sight.
You know what you trigger this talk? Nah, Kirby rescue of those school children.
And as they rescue the children, they say they kill some bandits, rescue children.
Yeah. So in the they make and they talk, say.
And in a nutshell, they should allow them kidnap, then the parents will contribute another hundreds of millions and all those things.
I see why. Maybe the reason I think maybe this now why Nigeria military not they really follow this for exchange gun. You know, say we don't ask questions. I say, well, you know where they are. Why you not go meet them? Now the reason be this because if they you get
and if I see one news too where we say they calculate how much billions where parents don't pay to
bandits release. See the money. This year you know save. Let me see only the 100 to 200.
Only that university. Not be 180 million. The parents
pay. Money 10 bike. Calculate bike. How much per bike? I think na 300 now. Calculate 10.
Bike pass. It don't even pass. It depends on the quality of the bike. It depends on the quality of the bike. Yes, now. You know, somebody go come out and well, now only what if you describe the impunity we talk about. Somebody go and the problem. One person go come out from one part of the country talk any and nobody go talk. For another person come out from another part of the country, they go say this one don't talk any. The presidency and the government need to be neutral. Evil na evil. Whether na Hausa man, whether na Igbo man, whether na Yoruba man, whether na Naija Delta. If you be Nigerian or you don't be Nigerian, if you threaten the security of any Nigerian or the life of the country, the government supposed come on you with the heavy hammer, regardless of who you be.
Since Gumi start today very outspoken about this bandit issue, and yes, last year we started to pay close attention to all he yarns. Presidency don't release any statement relating to monetary.
For where? Why?
Since they have been we miss.
They don't release any. I never hear of any statement when they release condemning the guy or anything. The only two president.
They not hear of.
The only two president. It is convenient to ignore now. That's the way you know one answer. You ignore them. Now you would like say no dead here. You understand? So one president will come say I don't give them order to shoot at sight, and then Gumi go come and say peace no go dey this country if they kill bandits. Then nobody they talk say Oga go pick this guy up.
It is well. Oh yeah, now.
So
men now tell us what's in on top of talk today.
Today na Tuesday now. So Naija original. We do Naija original between 12 and 1. That one Naija will celebrate Nigerian artists, young Nigerian artists. So we go celebrate two artists, and then people tell us which person's song they like pass, and then who they go like to date or get for their event if they do wedding or something. Then we get Ask the Professional later. Victor Swagu, the actor, they come. For Ask the Professional today, and now we're going to do Ask the Professional between 1:30 and 2:30, and then of course we're giving us some hot bedu from Africa. You know, so it will be top 20 countdown today, African top 20 countdown plus other entertainment gist. Of course, we'll go review the Big Brother lockdown, the reunion with all the fire where they happened yesterday.
But then 6 seconds men too.
As I heard, they see that.
I see what you.
6 seconds men.
As I heard,
3 seconds.
Now 6 seconds in give us 6 seconds. Say na 6 seconds.
Who they call that one?
Praise.
Now bring a country. 6 seconds.
Say praise na
6 seconds. Now 6 seconds about to reach when they go.
You see where they open? I say when they ask.
So you don't agree? Say in take.
When he go in deny that time. In fact, R&B, a lot of those people. No, see R&B, a lot of those people. What I don't notice, some of them don't say a lot. Some of those people, what I watched yesterday, he occurred to me say, this show actually do more damage to some of them than good.
Than good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like that Tolani Baja yesterday.
That bitterness.
That Tolani Baja yesterday. I just look at it and just actually talk at it like, why this girl they so bitter? Number one, a year later you come show they so bitter.
Bitter like
then
that.
you claim say you get man outside, but then look you stand up, don't say you said another. My question I say you get man outside. You supposed to be happy. Why they bitter? Secondly, you they proudly say you want use another girl boyfriend, make boy when they interested in you, jealous of you. Imagine. Something they worry these people for head though. The same way the Donati don't fail to on last week Friday. Don't they use F word? They should be like a different person from what you see for the house.
Or maybe
so this show
they play along if it's possible they play along.
Not be scripts. Not be script. These people.
I don't know.
A lot of them. A lot of them get baggage for their mind. Where they never sort out.
Thank you so much. It's nice having you people around. See us tomorrow for Wednesday edition of Money Runs the Sweet in the Middle because it will be sweet and the middle. Where will they go?
You'll find out the middle.
Naija FM 102.7